I know you've been wondering how you can make money using ChatGPT. I've done some tutorials, but I saw this amazing video on TikTok that is teaching people how to make money using ChatGPT, guys. So I'll advise you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you find any value in this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe to this channel. And if you want me to post content like this, you can also leave that in the comment section. So enjoy the video.
Go on YouTube, find the book summary. Go to transcripts and copy this whole thing. Next, go to ChatGPT and type in summarize this and paste in your transcript. Gave me this, and then I said, please make this into 5 paragraphs. And it gave me 5 paragraphs like that. Next, I said, imagine I'm making a presentation based on the paragraphs above. Please come up with scene ideas for each paragraph. Then I got the scene ideas, and now I'm gonna copy them and take them to DALL-E, another product by OpenAI, which can help you create digital art. It's labs.openai.com. And what you need to do is just paste that scene description for the scene 1 in there, comma, digital art, and press generate. For 4 different visual ideas that you can use for your video. You save this, you got the download, so you download this into your computer, and then you do the same thing for the other 5. Download this app called Descript. File, new project, give it a name, go and copy this entire summary and paste that in there, right? Then what you're gonna do is you can choose, once you paste that in, you can actually choose a voice from this. This is using artificial intelligence as well. And this voice is gonna read this for you. So if I press play.
In the video, the speaker discusses the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. The book.
What you need to do is to upload that image that you generated using DALL-E, but essentially you can have the image as a cover and then the voiceover can do the thing. And that nicely will appear. I can enlarge it so we'll take the entire thing. Put the captions over the image as well. So what you do is you press there, add captions. This will come up here. You can also give it a little border so it's more legible. I'm gonna give it a bit of a shadow as well. That will be under effects, shadow. All you need to do is to export this. So publish, export. It takes a couple of minutes to export this, and then you can upload this into YouTube, monetize your account, and start making passive income.